Welcome to the video. Second and last meal, 3:15 p.m. Last meal of the day. Mango Keitt, Domenican Republic, organic mangoes, and some lettuce over there. So these mangoes looking quite green, but the Keitt mango is a type of mango that is ideal to grow in rain season. Most of the mangoes in Costa Rica, Guanacaste, have no taste in rain season. They have no sugar because there is no sun to make them sweet. Not enough, I mean. But these staying always good. In Ecuador, where there's even more rain, they stay good. They stay sweet. So ideal type of mango to grow in a wet environment, as Caribbean, Costa Rica, or Ecuador. Any wet tropical environment, ideal type of mango, the mango Keitt. I need to cut off, like you see, some bad stuff here. And this mango is higher quality. You see the juice already dripping. I've got Keitt before, and the Keitt was really shitty. No taste and very pale. This is way better. So they can be very green and already ripe. Thank you for watching. I need to clean my hands before putting off my camera. Ja Rastafari.